Well, hello, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. A very pleasant good afternoon to each and every one of you. And on behalf of the Saudi Aviation Club, Aeropact, and the entirety of our airshow production staff, the warmest of welcomes to Termama Airport and Sand and Fun 2025. This is a short recap of the highlights. There's a longer version of this program available on Plains TV. Our first performance today, the National Guard of Saudi Arabia, the operators of these incoming UH-60 Blackhawk and AH-64 Apache helicopters. The UH-60 fully loaded can carry a 4,000 kilo cargo capacity, weighing in at some over 10,000 kilograms collectively. It can carry 11 troops, 4 crew members, and enough space for a fully equipped infantry squad and their equipment. It can even sling load artillery underneath. Also joining the UH-60s are that of the Boeing AH-64 Apache attack helicopters. First designed in the 1970s, they are considered some of the most capable military attack helicopters in the world. The AH-64 Apache provides anti-armor, close air support, border security, and interdiction missions. And underneath the nose, you will see the inclusion of a 30mm cannon, controlled via a cueing display on the gunner's helmet sitting in the front seat of the helicopter. It simply allows that National Guard member to look, point, and destroy a target. Sand and Fun is pleased to welcome the Royal Jordanian Falcons. This team, flying 4 examples of the Extra 330LX aircraft, have been performing since 1976, thrilling airshow audiences across the globe, representing the Hashemite Kingdom of Jordan. Up and over now as they work their way back inbound once again, as the wingmen Ahmed Al-Quda, Faris Al-Witat, and Sharif Hatouk continue their position on the leader.
Fighter pilot flying the F-5 Assault Mirage.
Our number 4 pilot climbs through the vertical to perform the tail slide. An outstanding power-to-weight ratio of these Extra 330LXs, as they are very gyroscopically capable, as we have seen. The 3-ship formation gets ready now for one of the signature maneuvers of the Royal Jordanian Falcons. They're in Vic formation out in front of us, flying up and over, and they will approach us directly while flying upside down. The Solo will cross behind them, heading underneath them and pulling up. Watch for what's about to happen. The team now rolls upright, setting up now for the famed Royal Jordanian Falcons Hashemite break. Well, we have seen today a great deal of formation flying by piston-powered aircraft. But this time, it's now an opportunity to do so with the jets in the form of the Aero L-39 Albatrosses of the Baltic Bees Jet Team. Based in Latvia and the Jurmala airport near Tukums, not far away from the capital city of Riga, they fly these Aero L-39C Albatros jets, a military training aircraft that combines elegance with speed and control. Here's the Baltic Bees and the grand split. Valery Sobolev approaching from behind them now as he sets up for the tail slide. Few jets in the world are capable of such an impressive feat.
قلة من الطائرات النفاثة في العالم قادرة على أداء هذه المناورة المدهشة.
A huge round of applause for the work, courage, and the aerial artistry by Latvia's team. Ladies and gentlemen, for Sand and Fun 2025, the Baltic Bees Jet Team. The Royal Saudi Air Force is up now to present the Eurofighter Typhoon solo display, one of the RSAF's frontline multi-role fighters. The RSAF Typhoon carries advanced sensors, radar, and a full suite of precision weapons. It has proven itself in real-world operations across the region and stands in as one of the most capable combat aircraft in the Middle East. The Typhoon will now demonstrate a minimum radius turn at Show Center. Its digital flight controls and engine power allows the Typhoon to carve aggressively while flying under heavy G. The F-15SA Eagle, one of the most advanced versions of the Boeing-built F-15, created specifically for the Royal Saudi Air Force. The F-15SA features a digital flight control system, modernized glass cockpit, and enhancements that make it unmatched in its capability for both air and ground attacks. From the left, the F-15SA. Now from the right, the F-15SA will return to demonstrate the Eagle's exceptional turning capability. In the turn, the pilot will be pushed deep into the seat with a force greater than 9 times his normal weight. The F-15 will now reposition for a vertical climb. The crew will stand the jet on its tail, demonstrating the F-15SA's exceptional power. Watch for the flares as they spiral upwards in this rapid climb. As we continue to work our way into the night and our full night show display. In their sunset performance from the United Kingdom, we welcome once again to Sand and Fun the 4-ship aerobatic team of the Global Stars.
وأيضا الألعاب النارية كما تشاهدون الآن من أمامكم فريق Global Stars.
Every rise meets a pull. Gravity keeps us grounded, reminding us of where we belong. Yet in its weight, we found balance. Those who learned from its pull became the ones who soar with purpose. The sky welcomes only those who respect the ground beneath it. Light becomes our guide once again. The stars, patient, eternal, have always watched from above. They witnessed our first fires, our first flights, our first dreams of leaving the earth behind. And so, flight begins. Fragile at first, wings of wood daring to touch the air. The sky became our teacher, its silence our guide. The old gave way to the new. Faster, stronger, braver. Born from one truth. We rise through harmony, not defiance. stars return, patient, eternal. They guided travelers through the desert long before compasses, and now they guide those who fly beyond. Above it all stands the home of flight. For 25 years, the Saudi Aviation Club has enabled generations of pilots and dreamers, lifting the kingdom's ambition higher, nurturing discipline, skill, and passion. Its journey mirrors our own, rooted in heritage, driven by purpose, and always reaching for the horizon.
Ladies and gentlemen, from Termama Airport in Riyadh, this was Sand and Fun. The event is hosted by the Saudi Aviation Club, bringing us all together to celebrate the passion for aviation and unique air displays in the skies of Riyadh. This is Luke Carrico from the Termama Airport in Riyadh, wishing you a safe evening, and we'll see you next time.